Good day, grade 7 class. Today in our EMS lesson, we are going to be starting a new topic. The topic is going to be very fun. It's going to be informative. It's something that we all need to know about. So draw your attention to me. I want you to take a look at this. What is this? What is this? Excellent. This is money. So, what do you think money is used for? In our society today, what do we use money for? Exactly. We use money to buy products, to buy items. It's used mainly for purchasing. Excellent. We used to buy our necessities. So that's a very good word, necessities. Is it necessary to have money in the world that we live in today? Excellent. Yes, it is. Why is it important? Because we wouldn't survive without it. We have to have money to buy food. We have to have money to buy clothing. We have to have money to buy any supplies, anything that we need money for. So let's look at this, right? This is a small scenario. So let's say I have this 20 rand note in my hand. And at home I don't have bread. So I go down to my local shop and I need to buy a loaf of bread. I take the bread, I go to the counter and I give the shopkeeper the money in exchange for the loaf of bread. So the shopkeeper has the bread, I have the money, I give him the money for the bread. He takes the money and I take the bread and go home. What do you think that exchange is called? Trading. Exactly, it's called trading. Excellent. So trading has been happening since the dawn of our civilization. We have moved from back then swapping cattle to now swiping for cash. But how have we done that? So what we're going to do now is watch a YouTube video and we are going to see how those drastic changes have occurred. We're going to draw our attention to the whiteboard and pay very careful attention. It's about a 2 to 3 minute video. We're going to watch the video and thereafter answer questions.
Money is a medium that we use to meet our needs, buy goods or services, or pay the salaries of employees. Considering the number of transactions today, it would be impossible to carry out these exchanges without a medium as effective and practical as money. Money also serves to measure the value of goods and services, and so we can use it as a unit of measurement as well.
So since we've all watched the video, we are going to have a few minute question and answer session, and we are going to move on. What I would like you to know is that I have uploaded the link to your notes on the entire subject. It's on a PowerPoint, so we will look at that in the next lesson, but for further reference you have the link to this video. Okay, so in the next 3 lessons we are going to be going on to the history of money, as you have seen in the video that has been displayed for you guys. We are going to talk about the traditional societies. We're going to be talking about bartering. We're going to be talking about coins and paper money. We're going to be talking about the role of money. So it's going to be spread out in three separate lessons, and we are going to learn about this. In today's lesson, we're going to speak mostly about traditional societies and bartering as a whole. We're going to start from the beginning, going on to how it has evolved. So in the next lesson, we're going to be doing coins and paper money, and then in the last lesson, we'll be doing the role of money and electronic banking. So let's move on to our question and answer session. The first question would be, from the video, what did it say that money is used for mainly? Excellent. It's used for purchasing, as we have established at the beginning of the lesson. It's used for paying employees. Excellent. The next question I have is, at the beginning, at the dawn of civilization, as we spoke about, what was the first type of trading or money that we can think of from the video? Exceptional. It's bartering. And what was bartering? What is bartering? It's the exchange of goods that people need. So let's say this group of people have an axe, and the other group of people have a spade, and this group A, who has the axe, needs the spade that group B has. So, and group B has the spade but needs the axe that group A has. So they swap it, they exchange it, which is called bartering. Excellent. So the ancient forefathers used bartering to provide for themselves, like how we use money today. So after bartering, what came next? From the video, what came next? Promissory notes. Excellent, excellent. So we know that they went from bartering to promissory notes to coins to paper money, then to electronic banking. So we're going to discuss, in today's lesson, we're going to discuss the roles of bartering. We're going to discuss bartering as a whole and traditional societies.